Today we're diving deep into a topic that every young adult should understand: how to properly budget. Welcome to the Hansel Financial Channel, where we adopt a relaxed approach to exploring everything about finance. Budgeting is more than just tracking your expenses. It's about taking control of your finances and shaping your future. Budgeting serves as a roadmap for financial success, providing clarity, control, and confidence in managing your money. By taking income and expenses and budgeting enhances financial awareness, allowing you to make informed decisions about spending, saving, and investing. It empowers you to set meaningful financial goals, prioritize spending, and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Budgeting also facilitates debt management, emergency preparedness, and long-term financial planning, laying the foundation for a secure and prosperous future. Ultimately, budgeting fosters financial discipline, resilience, and freedom, enabling you to live life on your own terms while achieving your aspirations. So let's break it down into manageable steps, but first, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Alright, so first things first. Let's assess your financial landscape. List all your income sources from your salary to your side hustles. Then detail your monthly expenses, including necessaries like rent, utilities, groceries, and your spending. By writing these things out, you can visualize your financial picture, and it will make creating a budget that much easier. Understanding your cash flow is crucial for effective budgeting. It lays the groundwork for informed decision making. Cash flow refers to the movement of money in and out of a business or individual's finance. It's essentially the net amount of cash being transferred into and out of a company or personal account during a specific period, usually monthly or annually. Positive cash flow occurs when more money is coming in than going out, while negative cash flow happens when expenses exceed income. Now that you know where your money is coming from and where it's going, it's time to set some goals. What do you want to achieve financially? Whether it's saving for a vacation, maybe paying off some debt, or maybe investing for the future. Having clear objectives keeps you focused. Remember, goals should be smart, specifically manageable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This ensures they're actionable and they're realistic for you to achieve. All right, with your goals in mind, it's now time to create your budget plan. Start by allocating your income to different expense categories, prioritizing essentials before discretionary spending. There are lots of budgeting documents you can use to help you along the way. There are lots of free ones that you can find around Google just by Googling it, or you can also find some paid versions with more advanced features in them. I'll provide a link below to a super simple budgeting Google sheet that I have created in the past and that I can still use today, and you all can use it to track your budget. So one essential aspect of budgeting is ensuring that you allocate funds for like unexpected expenses or emergencies. While it's tempting to focus solely on regular expenses and saving goals, setting aside money for unforeseen circumstances is crucial for financial stability. Incorporating an emergency fund into your budget provides a safety net for unexpected medical bills, car repairs, maybe a job loss, preventing these events from derailing your financial progress. By prioritizing savings within your budget for emergencies, you'll gain a peace of mind knowing that you've prepared to handle whatever life throws your way without jeopardizing your long-term financial goals. Remember, being proactive in your planning today can mitigate financial stress tomorrow. So make saving for emergencies a non-negotiable part of your budget strategy. And bam, congratulations, you just created your first budget. But the work does not stop there. You will need to regularly track your spending to ensure that you're staying on target and within your budget. Try to update your budget with your expenses every couple of days. I have noticed that when I do that personally, it's much easier to fill out everything in my budget. If I wait too long, the task of filling out my spreadsheet can be very daunting with all the expenses and actually makes me a little anxious. And normally I will put the task off, and next thing I know, I'm one whole month behind on keeping up with my budget. Also, remember to be proactive about adjustments within your budget. If you're overspending in one category, compensate by cutting back elsewhere in your budget. That way it's going to all balance out at the end of the month. All right, so now that we have the budget created, we need to make sure that we're staying motivated within your budget. It's crucial to keep your financial goals at the forefront of your mind. Remind yourself regularly why you're budgeting and what you hope to achieve, whether it's financial freedom, maybe it's some debt repayment, or maybe you're saving for a specific goal in the future. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable milestones and celebrate each achievement along the way. We want to visualize the positive impact of sticking to your budget, whether it's reducing stress, maybe increasing savings, or achieving long-term financial security. You want to stay accountable by tracking your progress and seeking support from your friends, family, or some online communities. Remember that setbacks, they are normal. It happens to everyone, but staying flexible is acceptable key to maintaining and motivating you to stay within your budget and achieve your financial success in the future. And remember, guys, budgeting, it's a marathon. It's not a sprint. It requires patience, consistency, and resilience. Like training for a marathon, it's about setting a sustainable pace and staying focused on the long-term journey rather than seeking immediate results. Just as a marathon runner faces challenges along the way, maybe such as fatigue or maybe unexpected obstacles, budgeting may involve setbacks like overspending and unforeseen expenses. But that's all right. By staying committed to your budgeting plan and adapting to those life changes that come your way, and by remaining patient, you'll build financial strength and endurance over time. Remember that every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your financial goals. Embrace the process, and you want to celebrate the progress and keep moving forward with determination and perseverance. Hey, how about comment below if you're on your financial journey, and let's celebrate some milestones of reaching our financial goals. Well, everyone, that's a wrap today on Mastering Budget. Hope you guys found this video helpful on your journey to financial empowerment. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on personal finance. Until next time, take care and budget on.